Some of these facts sound illegal, but they're completely real.
In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig. They get lonely. In the United States, you can legally mail a potato with just stamps on it. In Japan, letting your phone die can be considered disrespectful. In some places, you can be fined for feeding pigeons.
Do you know that it's legal to marry yourself in some parts of the world?
There's a town where it's illegal to die. Seriously. And somehow all of this is real. Follow for more facts that shouldn't exist.